Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with a My Creative Time design team project, and I am using some items from this past weekend's release from My Creative Times 155th edition release. And so I thought I would go ahead and use that Festive Gingers 2 ephemera pack. So that's where I got my little girl from. I'm also using the Festive Holidays 2025, and I'm using this paper right here. And then here goes some other items that I'm using. I am using the thin bow dies, the Santa bag dies, the Cozy Holiday Wishes, along with its die, coordinating die piece, strawberry flower die. Thanks so much, Christine, for those flowers. Still using those. And then also the die plate is what I'm using. And I'm using, I want to say one of these leaves here. Right, and here goes this adorable little card that I created. I thought I would pull this out after seeing Sharing More use hers last week. And I thought, man, I haven't used that in a while. I'm going to pull that out and use it. And so I was so glad that she used that, which made me think to use it with this adorable ephemera pack. And it turned out so simple, so quick and easy. And let me just share that a little bit more close. Of course, I have a little bit of stickles or glitter glue on there. These are the flowers that Christine Shabby Pink House made me. Thank you so much. And it just added that little touch that I needed on there. I did add a little bit of that glitter glue in the inside of that December 25th, which came from that stamp and die set. And then there goes that thin bow die, which I doubled that up. So super cute. And this is a gift card, gift card holder, so I could just slide a gift card right on in there, and it's perfect. I thought this was just the cutest little thing. And so simple and so quick and easy. So if you'd like to use my code for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so. It's MOE, or you can use any of the designers as well. And that's about it. That's all I have for you. Hopefully you have enjoyed what I created for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.